Now I am going to demonstrate how to install OpenSSL in your Windows machine. So before that, just start CMD and type OpenSSL command. See, OpenSSL is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means OpenSSL is not installed in this machine. Then go to the browser and select this link. So I will provide this link in the below description box. Please check it out. So you can find this page now. Here download Windows 32 and 64 OpenSSL. Under this you can find list of exes which is supporting Windows 64 or Windows 32. Please select as per your need. I am selecting Windows 64 OpenSSL 305. And download will take some time. Once the download completed successfully, you just go to this installer and you will find this page for license agreement, and we have to accept the license. Then you can see the path. So see program files OpenSSL Win64. See, it is prompting this because I already installed OpenSSL. So that's the reason the path is already existing. Anyway, I just wanted to continue with this path. So I am clicking on S. Next, here you can copy OpenSSL deal just as it is, select as it is, then click on next. Finally, install. And the installation won't take much time. It will take about 30 to 40 seconds only. So moving to the final page, here you can see list of checkboxes, and you uncheck the click here. You don't want to donate, so that's the reason I'm just unchecking. And finally finish the installation process. So now if you check, I mean typing open, see it will redirecting to OpenSSL. So now the installation has been completed successfully. But please remember, if you are installing OpenSSL in your machine for first time, then you need to configure the environment variable. That is pretty sure, because here as I already installed previously, so that's the reason I set environment variable. So how to do? Just environment and go to the system properties, and you can notice environment variables. So here you can see under system variables, edit system variable. I already set variable name as OpenSSL and variable path as C program files OpenSSL Win64 bin. So that's it. Hit the OK button and you are already good to go.